Blood is one of those things where it's so scarce. We never have enough blood in the supply. A mother who's bleeding after childbirth, if she has that unit of blood when she needs it, a doctor can save her life relatively easily. Zipline is a delivery service. We deliver medical products by drone, and we do it in the hardest to reach places in the world. Basically, where the paved road ends, we fly over the dirt road. We have a distribution center, and that distribution center is where all the zips operate from, and that's also where we maintain inventory of the medical supplies we deliver. So orders come in, we pack the package, send the package out the window to our flight operators. Those flight operators have put the package in the zip and they launch it. And then that zip is flying automatically out to the delivery site where it'll drop the package from the air. And so at any given time, we've got a bunch of planes in the air doing deliveries like this all day long.
When I first started here, I was building the previous version of the vehicle, which was not made for assemblability. It took many man hours to get that drone assembled, and it was a pain to maintain.
I really pushed hard to move the company to NX, and it has all the features you could want.
The shape of the outside of that plane is a very complex sort of surfacing problem. So if you want to tweak the surface over here, you need all these other parts that are very complex shapes to flow from that change in surface. By using a very powerful CAD tool like NX, we can make those changes very quickly.
This new vehicle, the maintainability is orders of magnitude better than the previous vehicle. With this vehicle, if any piece of the vehicle needs maintenance or is damaged, you can swap it out and replace it in 5 minutes.
Since we've been delivering, literally 3 units have gone to waste out of those more than 2,000 units of blood. In Rwanda, basically no units of blood expired, and that means they were all used. That's transformational.
We're doing something that really does help people and really does make people's lives better.